8-hour bus ride to Pokhara. That should be fun. Let's catch the bus.
Hours later.
On the bus, it just was so. It took 9 hours to get here. It's quoted 6, but I knew it'd be longer. Look, the bus was comfy. It's just the non-stop start, stop, start, stop, start. The constant bends, twists, turns. Yeah, I'm glad I'm flying home. That's all I gotta say. Check it out, Annapurna Range. Stunning. I love being surrounded by mountains. Someone's flying a drone here where it's illegal.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
That bus trip. It doesn't matter if you get a luxury bus or if you get a local bus. I know what you're saying, but Dave, you got a luxury bus. You got amazing seats and everything. Well, the seats make no difference if your driver is crazy. This guy's doing like 80k an hour around corners that would only be good for 30k an hour on paved road. This guy was drones annoy me. I can hear you and I can't. Alright, time for a room tour in, where are we? Pokhara. So I got this room all to myself. Got one big bed and a bathroom. So I'll show you what you get in accommodation wise here. First off, let's lock the door. Tops. Alright, so you got power points, all table and chairs, coat rack, there's aircon, there's fan con, nice big bed. In the bathroom, we have our toilet, a shower with kind of some hot water, bathtub, so people can watch me shower. Basin with some water, yeah, big screen TV, and coffee making, this toilet paper. That's the view. All the fresh veggies from dinner down there. Alright, well, good night. Thanks for watching, And I hope these aren't all too sporadical, but I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, for brekkie, or at the very least, for the Jeep ride to such and such, and we start our trek. Top notch. Let's do it. Annapurna. Okay, rant time. This just bloody annoys me because I try to be a good drone pilot even from different countries. I respect the fact that not even 3k down the road is an airport. You got aircraft flying in there non-stop all day and night. And this guy just here decides to put his drone up.
You, sir, are an idiot.
There's people like him that are giving us a bad name. I'm sorry, mate, but you shouldn't be doing that. It's frustrating to me because I want to do it, but I'm not going to. I respect Nepal's laws. Alright, rant over. Whatever.